Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get the Snapchat app on a Windows PC. So let's get straight into it. The first step to getting Snapchat is to go to the bottom left corner of your screen here and type store in the search box. Under Best Match, you should see the Microsoft Store pop up. Go ahead and click on it to open it up. And once the Microsoft Store loads, head up to the search box at the top and type in Snapchat, like so, and you will see the Snapchat app appear. Simply click on it to go to the app page and then press the Get or Install button that you will see to begin the installation process. After the download is complete, you can click the Open button, which will launch the app on your PC. So from here, you can log in using your Snapchat credentials, or if you don't have any account yet, you can sign up by clicking the sign up button at the bottom here. So that's pretty much it. That's how to get the Snapchat app on a Windows PC. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.